Go boys. Yo. There we go. Little something, something. What up, dub boys? Liking lower. Lower all dizzy. What up, dub boys? Hmm. What up, boys? Yo, yo. Patty. We good. How we doing, big dog? You doing all right? We chilling? We chilling? We chilling? Hey, Pizzle. Yeah, what do you got for me, Patty? What do you got on the daily? Think we're going lower? Yeah, I was also checking that out. He said bitch dumping early. A lot of mixed, a lot of mixed. Yeah, so I have something for you guys here. You ready for this? It's gonna be both. So what I got here on a 1 hour, I got it taking out the lows first and then ripping higher. So I got this. Go take out these lows from, what is that, Friday? Friday's low and yesterday's low. Take that out. Everybody's trying to long it from here, then rip it higher. So we're all right. Yep. Yeah, I'm not trading until after 10 either. Got that data. Got that data. Like I said, though, I like it lower. Lower and then rip higher. Yup. Them jolts, baby. Jolts coming in. Ha. Jolts coming in. Ha. There she goes. I'd honestly like it to drop from there. I don't want to see it climb back all the way up here. I think it's going to stay below at least the gap that we had to create the day. This little gap right here. Or at least stay below there. Bare minimum, it can go here. But yeah, definitely looking for sells. If it buys, then it will do so without me. And then Patty can make some money. This is LLD right here, though, so I'm not going to be selling into this. Because if I go up to ES, I also have the LLD right in here. Fair value gap, balanced range. It's Friday's gap as well. So if we get below that, I like these lows a lot. But just got to get below it. So, like I said, I think it's going to stay down below this area here. If it keeps going higher, then it keeps going higher. So, it is what it is. I don't really care. Just looking for a trade. I could be wrong in the direction, right on the trade. I could be right in the direction, wrong on the trade. Don't care. Don't really hold an ego behind it. Don't really. I'm holding zero ego. Got a little SMT on the highs. Damn. Damn, Daniel. Whoa. We're all pretty much moving in tandem here. I want to see a nice close below this area. Breaker, high, low, higher, high. Trade up into here, higher time frame level as well. And this is all basically support resistance, your head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, massive head. Another shoulder. And then you tap back up into it. Little sell off there for old Patty. Hmm. Yep. There you go. Nice little cell ski. Right up into that breaker. YM's definitely looking to go higher here. Maybe take out yesterday's high, but if you're going to sell, definitely need to sell NQ. YM's just blasting off and it never ever land. There goes NQ for today's regular trading hours. Low? I feel like all this gotta get filled in somewhat. Too much aggressive buying, not to be filled. It's in a nice tight range. I think she'll keep going. Precision elements are not there quite yet. What's a 30-minute look like on that? Yeah, 30-minute Faraday. Beautiful precision. 30-minute kind of looks dank. Little dank, little dank. New low a day coming in hot. Electronic trading hours. Banking our head off of Friday's gap. That gap in price. I think we'll keep extending lower. Eventually. Little OTE action right there. Come back up. Bang, right there. Should want to fucking show it, maybe. Bangs our head off of that breaker one more time. Also the premium level of the weekly gap. I'll show you guys this level. We got this level right here, this gap right here in price. We're just filling in the numbers right now. So we're just banking our head off of that that close right there of that gap. You can have both settlement and non-settlement. I'm going to use the settlement price because the gap's a little bit bigger. So we got some order flow here. Super nice overnight. Hitting our head off the bottom of the Asian range. You can see how that used it to propel up past yesterday's high right there. Also used it here. Bank. Also used it here. Bank. Now we're going to roll over a new leaf. ES making that higher high. Almost full gap closure. On ES. Super low risk here for the sell. Just sell the double top SMT. First presented Fairview in play. How you doing? Drag that all the way out to here. ES as well. First presented Fairview. I'll draw it from the gap in price right there. There you go. Coming down off of it. Hits it. Let's see if it shows any kind of breaking through. It should want to break through here. Keep going lower. Trending lower. Still inside the gap. I like all this stuff here. All looks good to me. Got jolts coming out in 15. Don't want to take a trade. I'd love to take this ES trade. We get down below here, trade this breaker. We have SMT. That'd be beautiful. Just got the jobs coming out. That jobs claim. Beautiful how we respected it right there. First Fairview. Do you technically have a gap there? We do technically have a gap in price right there. Let me just draw it down to there. There we go. So made that higher high off the first presented. Let's see what it wants to do. Let's keep going higher. It can go higher. Fuck it. But all of them. First presented P. Look at that. Price broke down, made the first fair value gap. Came back down off of it. Now it's extending higher. So that's a nice little trade right there. You got this guy. First presented as well. Comes off. Trades down below it. Makes a higher high. Beautiful reaction off of it. Another 5-minute close. First 15 in the bag. First 15-minute in the bag. Hour chart doesn't look too convincing. We're just stuck in a range in the hour chart. Might even not even put on a trade today. Full gap closure on NASDAQ to the new week open gap. We're in a 15-minute order block. Really shouldn't go higher than that. There should be a wick here. If it has a strong close over it on the 5 minutes. Bro, I've been muted the whole time? Fuck. No way. I'm pissed. I've been just tape reading the whole time. Fuck. Anyway, fuck it. Whatever. I want to see the reaction from here. See what it wants to do. YM looking like it wants to take off right there. 15. YM just wants to keep going up. It might drag these other indices up as well. You got a lot of buy side on YM. Might want to pull them up. And then I saw your mouth moving. Yeah, bro, fuck. Tap back up into the new week open gap. So it's pretty strong right here. Current new week open gap is a gap that is created for the new week. And that is a very strong level. I mean, you can see it's basically a dynamic support resistance. We get up to it, sell off, sell off, sell off, trade above this liquidity here up into another higher time frame PDA, sell off, trade back up into it again, sell off, here, sell off, here, sell off. Use it as support, go, support, go, support, go, support, 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 break. Here, trade down, and then now you can see the reaction from there as well. So very good dynamic support resistance level is the new week open gap. A lot of trades being facilitated there. I like this level a lot because it has the new week open or the new day open gap. Just took out buy side liquidity. Yeah, exactly. And then you have the new day open gap. So like this gap here from the current day. So from electronic trading hours close at 4:59 and 6 o'clock, there's a gap in price right there from that lack of hour of trading. It goes right in between there as well. Like it's a super clean level. I don't know, but I want to buy it. I'd wait till it breaks lower and then keeps going lower. I don't know. I just don't trust it to go. I mean, it can absolutely go higher, but I mean, just a great level, like you pointed out. Five more minutes till news. Yeah, I think we're gonna get below that and then just tank. Our SIBI mitigation. Yeah, if you look at the bodies, bro. Look at the bodies. We have the SMT on the highs as well, but then the bodies are a little breaker. Don't even look at that wick. That wick at 10 p.m. Monday. Just ixnay that whole wick. Just look at the body highs. It's basically a breaker. 3 a.m. body on Tuesday. Super nice. With SMT. Could be a 2022 model lower. Just such good support levels below, dude. Just holding the price right here. Like, I would like that if there wasn't like this big ass fucking area down here. Like, if you weren't on top of that that gap on the weekly. If you go to non-settlement price, or was it settlement price? And what one or the other? What was it? I think it was settlement price. That weekly gap. 5-minute fair value gap dips down below. Shows a nice little reaction from there. And fuck around here. I'd like it to see it just kind of drop. If we extend past this high, we're definitely going for a little bit more buy side. So just like that higher high. If you have a high that liquidates and trades away, then you have price liquidate that high. If you see a price run extend past that liquidation level and create a fair value gap, you can trade that fair value gap to go opposite directions. Basically like a reversal entry. Because in theory, like, you want to see after it liquidates a high, if the institutional order flow is bearish, you want to see it liquidate it and quickly reject to keep going in that direction because it was just a stop run to go lower. But then if it liquidates, it drops down and goes back up over that liquidation and keeps soaring up, then it's probably going to be reversing because the order flows the other direction now. Yeah, 4 hour just looks like shit. Try to trade in. Listen, it would have to get below like 19,388 for me to want to trust this support level. You also have Friday's gap that's super nice. I have that noted. It's just this white line here. I have it just like bolted out. This white line and this white line. This gap is very prevalent. And you have this new week open gap from fucking forever ago. Not too concerned with that one, though, to be honest. It's basically this new week open gap, but the settlement price. So this whole gap. This gap is non-settlement price, and then this gap is settlement price. Oh, you guys can't even see really what I'm looking at. We'll see. 10 o'clock happening here. Another minute. Build it up into a premium. You build it all the way up. Take out some buy side and just fucking drop it. Beautiful. Be a strategy in and of itself. 930, you just fucking short it at when it takes liquidity out, like 950, 1010. You short it somewhere up in that region. You can get the whole fucking move for the day, bro. Just like what happened on Monday. Yesterday, just short the shit out of it after it plunges over this high. Short it, and then just take it all the way down. Very, very clean. Very, very clean. Short, 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 short. $10 o'clock. Little whiplash there. Little whippersnapper. Also, China said it wants to waive as soon as, of course, 10 o'clock hits. China said to waive tariffs on U.S. ethane. I don't know what ethane is. Ethane imports. ETHANE. I've never seen that before or heard of that. What is ethane? What is ethane? Ethane? Is that how you pronounce it? Oh, it's ethane. Still don't know what the hell ethane is. I think it's like a gas or something. I said ethane. I'm a fucking idiot. Consumer confidence. See, some nice reaction right there. It's that fair value gap, new day open gap, and showing a little bit of support. Like I said, I didn't want to see use as support, but I saw it break and then use as a resistance to go lower. But if it wants to keep going higher, man, keep going. Kudos. I love it. 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 I want to tap back up into here again and then go lower. That boy, Patty. Good shit, bro. $15-minute close. That a boy. Great entry. You still holding? I got you. You still holding? Nice. PM high of yesterday is over here. Get this PM high. Yesterday, PM high. Like I said, I'll probably take that if we create a fair value gap in here and then go. You also have this inversion. You also have the new week open gap. So if we can trade above this, close above it, create another candle, and then create that fair value gap right there. This candle needs to close bold. Next candle needs to close like a doji-ish. And then the next one, so it would technically leave that fair value gap. I would trade that fair value gap up to this level. 300, nice, bro. It's fucking awesome, dude. Good shit. Good shit. ES trading back down to its first presented fair value gap. Check this out. Here's ES. Look at that. Banger. Look at that wick. Boink. And then the reaction there. Super clean. Super clean. Let's see if we took out the high already. Nope. Consolidates and then comes back down. I'm definitely taking that buy, but if it just blasts through, then no use. But we just took out PM session high a little bit. If it stabs down lower from there, I will be taking a run through that. But I mean, the stab is definitely a little bit more than I wanted to see now, at least. But breaker right here, low, high, lower, low, trade back up over it, gone. So just like I said, like once we liquidate this high here, creates another candle there. Institutional order flow is probably going to be bullish there. Yeah, no, for sure, Patty. For sure, P. Nice, just run. ES, you have the pre-market highs and you have yesterday's highs as well coming in. So a very nice run higher happening right now. So you have 1 hour lick. So very nice. We're gonna get up to there. NASDAQ, this level right here is a new day open gap. It's also a daily rejection block with 1 hour order block. So if we go to the daily, so rejection block here, so it's the bottom of this long wick right there. It's also the new day open gap from this day, April 1st. So it's basically the monthly open. It's a very key level and it's hitting its head off it right now. And then it's a 1 hour order block. Go to the 1 hour, go all the way over here, scrub it. 1 hour order block right here. So basically breaker low or high, low, higher, high, break down. So 1 hour order block slash breaker. So good little reaction off of that. I do think we'll go higher. We'll keep running. But just took out PM session highs on NASI. You have yesterday's high that took out during the pre-market. So you could definitely get a run on that. Doesn't necessarily need to run the high. All it really needs is to run the pre-market high or the yesterday's high, but we'll mark that out. Today's high. Yesterday PM high. 15-minute lick, we can get rid of that. Get rid of that fair value gap. ES2 though, I kind of want to watch ES. ES is the one I can catch up with that hasn't taken the higher high out yet. Looks a little bit cleaner. Take that out. $15. Next fucking song. This song sucks. Thank you. Coming off, I'd like this to stay bold and give me another consolidation so I can get a little in sync with it if I wanted to keep going higher. Hey boy KP. We're getting at 529 to 600. Jeez. Yep, 529, close on that high to 600. Damn. 600. You got out at 600. That's a fucking exit. Damn. 600 is crazy, bro. That was like top tick. Good shit. Yeah, good reaction from that level. You called that level out, got the bullish engulfing, took it from the bullish engulfing. Attaboy. Stuff, bro. Yeah. You sold the top. That's right. Good shit, boys. Good shit. Damn, that bitch is coming down. KP, you know what I'm gonna do? If we do get below that level on a NASDAQ, I might take it down to the first presented fair value gap. So I'm gonna sell. If we get back down below it, I'll sell what is that? Like 19,485 to 19,435, little 50-point run. If we can get back down into there. I like it. Damn, I'm going to put 2 on. Fuck. Yeah, it's a 1 to 1.74 though, bro. I don't like that. Wish I had a little bit more room. I'd have to sell like the top here, bro. Expecting it to break. Immediate rebalance on the 5. Back down to the breaker. 15-minute. Low, high, lower, low. Breaker, breaker. Trade back down into it. See a little push up. I do think it's going to keep going higher. But if we do get back down below it, I do like those lows. Well, we have this breaker. Low, high, lower, low. Come back down into it with the order blocks. Buy side liquidity up here. Sell side already got rated. I like to take something back down into the range. Obviously, we're in a 1 hour. I don't like to predict a breakout. I'd rather just trade to extremities and then trade back into the range and then just get in sync there, to be honest. Like trade back below the open. So if it did go for the high, I'd be like, all right, fuck, whatever. Break out, bro. There you go. There's a nice tumble lower. Any fair value gap here would probably be good to sell. Take it back into the range. 5-minute Fairview on Nazi D. Right at the breaker. It would be an inversion breaker high. Fuck. There you go. It's a little fucking push higher. That's a crazy fucking bounce right there. Zelensky said Russia is preparing something in Belarus this summer using military drills as an excuse. Okay. See what happens here, babe. Presented from a while ago, bro. Oh, good layer. AP selling at tops, bro. Selling at tops. That's all he does. That's all he does. Selling the top, Pizzle. Selling the top. Damn, shut up. Trade all the way down, just too fast now. It's just gonna fucking go. It's just gonna go. It's a goner. I do like this sell, I'm be honest. I like the Selinski a lot. A little Selinski. Yeah, it's definitely the weaker one here as well. It's gonna get it now. Can't stab up there, but and 25. It's kind of slipping. That's tough. Nothing to get in sync with it. It's not enough RR to take it from down there. Too risky. I don't think it's gonna hit it. I'd love it to leave it, come back up in that fair value gap, and then sell. I think it's just gonna drop into it though. Once it hits it, I'll be out. Out. It don't even fucking matter. Where'd I have this shit at? Up here. I don't think it's gonna come back up before it hits that. Yep. G fucking G's, boys. He said that was my clean trade to date. That's funny. Good stuff. Hell yeah, KP. I think it's gonna keep going lower. We'll see. You're funny. Yeah, I like to short it for sure. 5-minute fair value gap right there. Beautiful trade inside. First presented again. Look at that. Look at that support, bro. Patty's like, yo, I don't get fair value gaps. Like, which ones? Like, there's so many. I go, bro, just look at this first presented right here. Fucking clean. Well, that was an irrational candle. It's fine. Yeah, it's definitely not a song I want to listen to. Next song. Sounds like I'm gonna go to fucking sleep, bro. There we go. Yeah, not really interested in anything really. I mean, I like the short on NQ from here to go lower, or just I don't trust that level right here. I like this low to get run from up here, but I'm not going to take it just because of we're on this super strong level. I don't want to trade into strong support and already as well. ES already took it. It's like, yeah, no. Maybe if ES didn't already take it. Your buyers coming back in, Patty. Here they come. Here they come, man. Cindy, man. Yeah, it's in that discount level with the fair value gap right there. Oh, man. I just need to zone out for a quick second. Patty, 5-minute close on the high. We getting in? Called it. I should just trade Patty strategy. Nice little short squeeze. Yep. Squeeze them. Hunter, what up, bro? We making money today. Freddie Few, baby. Freddie Few. Hunter's about to tell me his crypto shit went crazy. Oh, he made a coin today. Nice. Now you just got to market it and then pull the rug. He said already pulled the rug. Yo, this fucking guy. This dude. How long does it take to make a coin? He said 3 minutes, bro. 6, 8, bro. I don't know why you just don't do that every day. And then how do you like market it? That's so funny, bro. That's actually fucking hilarious. Hey, it's legal now, but whatever, fuck it. So you try to do that every day. So like how successful are you every day at doing that? Two out of 7. All right. And then how long does it take you to create it, advertise it, and then from conception to you rug pull, how long does that process take? Wow. Dude, if I were you, I'd just sit on your fucking computer all day and do that. Fuck it. The hell are you still doing at UPS? Yeah, bro, it's all about fucking marketing. I would just look up how to market. He said health insurance, brother. Yeah, it's crazy. What about your girl? I thought she works at UPS. What if one of y'all drop out? One of y'all get health insurance, the other one gets fucking crypto shit. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Drop out. She got the health insurance. Sunrise is crazy too, bro. Does she like it? How's it different? They had a bad day? What the fuck happened, bro? We can join the rug pull. Patrick, you'll be the one getting rug pulled, buddy. That's crazy. He said, sounds like a plan. Y'all got it. Have fun. I think this shit's going to just come all the way back down. Little consolidation profile. Wow. But where are we living now, bro? It's fucking nuts. If I move the mouse quicker, I'd be a millionaire. That's so funny. You just need a hotkey it, bro. Have your finger on a hotkey and just press a button and then that shit goes. It's all good, KP. Yeah, I think this thing's coming all the way back down, bro. Bruh. Come back down to the range. Can people short those? That'd be hilarious. Probably not. I don't know, Patty. Why don't you get in there and try real quick? I'll be back. Wait, how do you know that? Oh, they said it in their earnings call. Yep, unions suck. That's why FedEx is doing better than it. That's why Amazon's doing better. You said force your door. I'll pull up the UPS stock. Check it out. Oh my days. Weekly chart. The COVID. Meow, meow. Bruh. You said pull out time, bro. You think I got stock in UPS here on crack? Yeah, shit's going below these lows, bro. I'm putting a timer on this shit. Yep. Yeah, honestly. No, they're cutting the fuck out of us, bro. 1000%. What I said, bro. If they offer me a buyout, bro, I'm out. Bro, just give me like half my salary. I'm out. 40K, here you go. See ya. I'll go to Amazon real quick. Fuck it. I told everybody that already. I just need to get offered a fucking buyout, bro. I'm out. Wait, are the earnings out today? Because the market hasn't even reacted. They come out at 4:30, right? Wait, why does she have a trash bag full of the gear? They're just giving that shit out now? But they were selling that for like pennies on the dollar? Oh, nice. But how'd you find out that information? Because that doesn't make sense. Like, did it come out yesterday? Because the market didn't even react to it. It came out this morning? The market didn't even fucking react to it. UPS jobs. Oh, well, not that. News. UPS cutting 20,000 jobs released an hour ago, 5 hours ago. Wow. Due to lower Amazon volumes. I mean, that's true. Carol's going to spin it and be like, yeah, we're Guess no promotion. Well, if they downsize, it's going to be both, really. Because if they downsize in volume, obviously we don't need that many people then to hire. So we're just going to like freeze hiring. So it's going to be less fucking people. Yeah, Union just sucks, bro. I think we go higher. Calling the breakout. Damn. GG, Sean. That's crazy. How you gonna close it at 501, bro? You got the whole macro. I'm just kidding, bro. I'm in a breaker here in ES. We get a nice close in 2 minutes before taking off. The breaker unicorn setup, relative equal highs. I won't get it. Should fly. The fuck? Missed the line by a nipple hair. There she goes. Up, up, and away. Rocket.
Yo.
What up, boy?
Not much, dude. Just unfortunate there. I mean, whatever. I probably wouldn't have. It wouldn't have hit my TP anyways based on this, and I'd probably be out at break even. But just retarded.
Hey, Dizzle.
Hello.
Yo. Oh man, Al, I fucking closed my long, literally point, probably a tick before my stop at fucking 10:50. I trailed my stop, and at 10:51 as it was going down, I was just like, you know, I'm just gonna mitigate risk here. Just fucking rips.
What was your TP? Just the 10:06 high?
No, my TP would have been Asia. So I mean, at the end of the day, I would have
Yeah,
ended up
probably
probably
gonna
at break even, but
no,
still an
even at
L.
break even.
Hey, what about a long right here?
No.
Nah, there's still, I don't like those equal lows below.
Dude, so I in the PM
Yeah.
session yesterday, I tried going short for Friday's low. It was just the last leg. And then we just left a clean daily low, last leg, perfect setup. And then I was like, oh, it's NFP week, dude. We're just gonna start building liquidity like this. And then when I got on this morning and saw we were making relative equal highs, I was just like, probably just gonna keep doing bullshit all day.
Dude, I almost caught that whole fucking move yesterday, but got stopped out like right at fucking 10:40. Just in that time distortion. And I just, if I
Yeah,
would have just
I got
kept my
stopped
original
out.
stop out above that 5-minute fair value gap from 9:30 yesterday, dude, would have caught like a fucking 5R.
I got stopped out in the 1050 macro as well.
Yeah. Dude, it's just like, it's so close, man. Like all my, 90% of my losing trades are right idea, either wrong time, wrong management. Like it's,
I know, dude. Part of me is like, dude, how is this not working? And then the other part of me is just like, I just want to walk away from this sometimes. Because we just keep getting so close. I'm like, what the fuck?
oh, we're getting.
Like the odds of how close we've been consistently been getting just doesn't make sense, dude. Like the probability of us all almost getting it. Like if we flipped a coin, I feel like we'd have a better probability than what we've been hitting right now.
I mean, dude, the thing is we have the right narrative. That's not the problem. It's just tough to time some of this shit sometimes. But dude, I almost, thank God I waited and caught that fucking 10:30. Bro, 10:30 is just the fucking time for a
I thought
complete
950
reversal.
was the time, dog.
No. I'm saying like 10:30. Like look at it today, dude. Just completely fucking session SMT. As ES takes it and just absolutely fucking rips.
I think we'll keep going higher.
I think we will too, dude. And if we don't, then
I think, dude,
red
we might.
fucking
It's like
flag.
you gotta remember NFP, dude. If we got a last leg set up here, that's when we go against last leg. Remember, we just do the opposite of our trading plan when it's NFP week.
Mm-hmm.
Like, look at this 2022 model short, dude.
Dude, I also almost went short ES at 10 fucking 18. Dude, I'm telling you, bro, that Alex, what I've been telling you, that model, it's like a double SMT where you have a higher time frame SMT embedded with like a 1-minute SMT and just
Yeah.
like a change in the state of delivery, dude. That shit fucking hits.
Yeah, it's clean.
Yeah, Ty, I do think we'll go higher. Just don't know when.
Yeah. I'd love it to leave it for later in the week.
I mean, dude, we've just had bullish reactions off that fucking daily fair value gap on NASDAQ. So I think we're probably just gonna go for like that 20,000 level, and then and then maybe we come down.
20,000. Damn.
Yeah, bro, we got daily relative equal highs.
It's nuts.
Oh,
I don't know when. Did you trade today, Al?
No, I didn't like any. Dude, I just got on. I looked at the 1 hour and that was all I looked at. I said, I'm not trading today.
I was stocking shorts on ES and then just the signatures on Nasdaq were like, nah, don't do it. Don't do it. We're bullish.
Yeah, if it wasn't NFP week, I'd be long here on the 15-minute order block.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, I forgot it was NFP, dude. But still, like, took my setup on a Monday. Do I just not take my setups during NFP week? Maybe.
Dude, sometimes the best fucking setups form on like NFP Monday, Tuesday.
Right.
Yesterday was just complete fucking
Dude, we were so
chaos.
close. We were so close in PM session to Friday's low. We had great
Yeah.
closures. The new day open gap, new week open gap, there's a 5-minute breaker, and then there's a 1-minute breaker inside of the 5-minute breaker at 1:30, dude. I was like, bro, this is the cleanest setup ever. Got 1-minute SMT as we started selling lower and just reverse on the whole day. And then I was it.
Yeah.
It just rips, dude.
And then to come all the way back to the new week open gap yesterday.
Oh, even when we closed over just the first new week open gap in the price range, I was like, dude, this is not right. NFP context.
Yeah, I'll short it. Fuck it.
Yeah, I think that's the move. I remember we were all on a call the other month, and we were like, yo, look, it's the last leg and it's NFP week. Let's do the opposite because it's gonna more likely generate liquidity and leave the highs or lows or whatever it was.
True.
And then it was just a perfect, like this will probably just be a perfect market maker sell model to like the middle of the range.
Or those relative equal, yeah, those relative equal lows that are left.
Yeah. The
On the
10 a.m.
5-minute?
ones
Yeah. I love it.
failed last leg.
Because that's what I look for. If like the hour's consolidating, it's like I'm not going to try to predict a breakout. I'm just going to try to
Right.
predict when one side gets liquidated, then trade to internal range liquidity, which is external range on like the lower time frame.
Uh-huh.
That's the setup that I liked. I like that short back to ES first presented fair value gap. I'm just going to get in sync with it. ES when it liquidated that high and then it filled below, what was that? Monday's first presented fair value gap. I was like, all right, next fair value gap, I'm shorting. And then it just never gave me one.
Dude, I was surprised ES became the fucking leader after being so weak.
And the lagger.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Well, it was the leader to both sides, as Alex
Yeah.
would say.
As Alex would say.
Commercials, long ES, short Nasdaq, boys.
Yeah, it's retarded. Oh my God, UPS just cut 20,000 jobs.
Dude, we've been firing people like it's fucking
Really?
dog. I don't think people realize how bearish tariffs are for growth. Dude, it's so fucked. Everyone at my company is like doing all these tariff analysis 24/7, and then literally the next day it's like, wait, this is exempt. This is exempt. Wait, it's now this.
Oh my God, dude, that's gotta be so frustrating.
Yeah,
Sounds like trading.
dude.
Yeah, Jake Cat podcast was pretty sick.
Yeah, it was good. I feel like I've heard him say that shit just a bunch of times though.
Well, for sure. But the one thing I did take away from it, about prop firms and what they do with their traders is obviously they have like a group and stuff. But they get on and say, hey, what are we looking for today? What's the vibe? If we miss something, then like, here it is. This is what I like. This is what I don't like. And then converse about the strategy and then go in and trade it yourself.
Yeah.
I think that might be a good strategy for us to hop on and say, hey, NFP week. Cause I didn't even think about that, Big Al. Like, obviously, like I knew it was NFP week, but like, obviously running for the highs is just what I'm just accustomed to all the time. And then you would have been like, hey, it's NFP week. Remember, these lows and highs could just fucking stay there until
You're
know,
saying
later in the
tap
week.
into the boys' collective consciousness. To
Yes,
get
at
little
like
things we
9
forget.
a.m. Yeah, it's like 9 a.m. What are we looking for? Like I go over like the whole market breakdown. Like, hey, we got news at 10. Probably gonna sit still till 10. My draw would be whatever. So I was looking for. I mean, even the low of the pre-market, I was looking for that to break below Friday's new day open gap, break below, and then trade for those lows, and then eventually trade for the highs. So like literally consolidation, manipulation lower, and then a leg higher throughout the week. But yeah, just go over like what we're expecting, the profile, what we want the market to do, how much risk should be on, or whatever. And then if you guys have anything else to add, like, I mean, to that, I mean, I think it would be a good idea just to get that. And obviously then we just take our own trades and based on what we think. Then obviously if like we hop on and we're like, hey, I think it's bullish. Oh, I think it's bearish because of X, Y, and Z. And I'm like, I take a step back and I'm like, damn, I can make that case for the other side. And it's kind of like, well, it's now probably a 50-50 and I should probably just be more careful with this. You know?
I'm game.
I think, yeah, because that's what they do in the prop firm space, and they find that to help their traders and stuff out. So I feel like we can try that and go from there.
Just say you miss this tie. It's all right, dude.
Yeah, dude.
I mean, bro, I'll fucking quit right now. I'll fucking. Just kidding. Oh, shit. My chair. I'm reading the PR now, Ty, cutting 14,000 jobs out of 390. I think we're good for now. Oh, shit. There's 390,000 jobs at UPS. It's fucking nuts.
Dude, I imagine UPS is one of the biggest employers in the country.
Probably. Bro, UPS makes up, is responsible, not even responsible, has its hand in like 5% of the United States gross domestic product.
It's crazy, man.
It's absolutely insane. But now, probably not without Amazon now. They're probably a lot less than that, but.
Dude, I like this short if we get below it.
I'd like to short
Below
there.
what?
Like literally right here.
Oh, sorry, he fat thumbed it. UPS has 490,000 jobs. So basically 500,000 people work at UPS. So
That's a lot,
20,000.
dude.
So 20,000 is fucking nothing. Bro, I'll fucking bounce, dude.
Are they firing you, Ted?
Probably. KP, how much management jobs are employed? Because obviously, like most of that's fucking hourly. $2022, there it goes.
2022, dude. Just do the opposite of everything you learned this week and you'll make money.
Yeah.
It's so tough, dude.
Incredible.
Do. Trading, dude.
KP, out of the 490,000 employees that work at UPS, how many of those are management employees? Not how many management people are cutting. Oh, you didn't even say that. But yeah. Oh.
Just cutting through, dude. Just cutting through a new week open gap like it ain't nothing but a thing. Failed last leg. That's probably the 50% of this leg here. Yeah. Yeah, those relative equal lows are right at the 50% of this range from the
So-
daily high to the low.
So clean.
There's a turtle soup at the daily range, the 50%. Perfect.
Got this 5-minute balance price range, bro.
It's about to smoke it.
Yeah, it is. Short. New week opening at pound squint encroachment. Short. 5-minute breaker.
And I have Fed breaker unicorn. Oh my god, dude.
Whoa.
NFP Ripper.
Short.
NFP Ripper.
Bro, 490,000 jobs at UPS and 85,000 are management employees. There's no way.
That's
So
the
base-
problem.
So basically 400,000 people are
Or what?
without jobs or are hourlies. Just like actual union workers, 400,000 people.
Bitches.
Yep. Like, bro, I've like 50 people under me. Like, 1 times 5, what is that?
You have 50 direct reports?
Yeah.
That's retarded. How the fuck do you do reviews for all of them?
How do I do
Copy and
reviews?
paste?
No, I mean technically, like if you count the people under me as well, because I have part-time soups under me and then I have hourlies under me. So I have like four or five direct reports under me, like direct reports, and then under them is like 50 people. So yeah, but still, like I'm basically like the direct report guy for that. Like if they need something like with their pay or vacation or they have a problem with something or they get injured, then they talk to me.
Boys, where are we
Dang
going?
it.
First presented?
At least new day open gap.
5-minute ES, NASDAQ, immediate rebalance. How you doing? Lunchtime Tankaroonie. Short it from there. Order block. Just keep shorting every order block. Short every order block. Fair value gap. Short. Every turtle soup. Just short.
I think 1121's high should just be left, dude. What is it doing? If this is a low resistance liquidity run,
Rejection block. 1 minute. Short.
dude. My least favorite PDA. The old rejection.
Hey, you got price right now respecting on the daily. Rejection block from April 2nd. Incredible level.
Dude, when you rejection, like when you're talking rejection box, you know your trade's fucked.
Right.
That's my philosophy on them.
Dude, if I'm TPing at a fucking rejection block, like, what even is that?
Yeah, dude. I mean, you love your quadrants, though. It's basically just a lower quadrant of a wick.
I do love quadrants, dude.
Oh, I know. When I think quadrants, I think Alex.
Nice.
When I think Fib extensions, I think Big Sean.
I don't really use them as much. But you could use one, for example, right here at this 1101 high to the 1058 low.
Yeah, it basically bullied you out of it.
Yeah, that's crazy. We did.
I think there's just a time. I mean, technically, I use them every day because I put dealing ranges on, but I use a GAN box for that.
Oh,
You're
so
a
like
GAN
you're really
trader?
gay.
Yeah, I am a GAN trader. You got a fucking problem?
I don't even know what that means. I just made that up.
No, GAN is a real thing. He was like a trader in like the early 1900s who like believed in like all the crazy shit.
All the crazy shit, dude. Even crazier than the shit I believe in.
Way crazier. You don't even believe in crazy shit, bro.
Dude, I
Dude.
believe that there's some guy that made the algorithm and he just has a YouTube channel.
Yeah, that is pretty crazy.
Yeah, I believe in like fucking moon phases, bro.
Moon phases?
Yeah,
That's the type
bro.
of shit I think he was on.
What do you mean, dude? Those are just real.
No, like trading with the moon phases. Like when there's a full moon, you fucking long.
Is that real?
Yeah, bro. Look at the
People do
indicator. Look at the indicator moon phase. It's like a
Bro.
Bitcoin thing. I swear to God, I can't make it up. Put on moon phases on your charts. Go to a blank chart. Turn on moon phases, and then go to the Bitcoin chart.
All right, let me go to Bitcoin. That's
That's-
crazy. That's the first I've ever heard of this.
Really?
Moon phases.
That's
It
funny.
is crazy, dog.
Wow.
See that shit?
It's got new moons and full moons.
Yep.
I'm seeing that new moons look like you short and full moons look like you long, dude.
There you go.
Bro, this shit
Alright, break
works.
down from here. Break
No,
down
this
from
shit
here.
fucking works.
He said this shit works.
Dude, we're like, that's wild, bro. What do you mean, dude? This shit, the full moon is just a support level, dude.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Imagine that's how easy that is. Just fucking look outside at night. Determine, that's your evening analysis.
Isn't that how you guys get your bias?
Jesus, dude.
Yeah,
This
that was my
shit's
secret
so hard,
sauce.
bro. Sometimes, dude, this shit gets so confusing.
Bro, it's like a real thing too. Like it's from technicals, from like TradingView has its own thing.
Certain moon phases.
And Lux Strategy has its own fucking moon phases thing, bro. Like it's a real like thing that people do.
I would have been holding for this short, so I would have gotten smoked out of there.
A little smoky.
I would be at break even on the day. Smokey the Bear.
Long, short, long, short, long, short, long.
Oh.
You gotta hold it for like 3 days though. The 3-day hold is kind of it.
The NFP hold all week trade.
I haven't seen one lose yet. Oh, there's the first one. Long, break even, short, win. Long break or long win, short. Uh-oh. Let's see, it's either gonna be a break even or a win.
What are you talking about?
The moon phase is on Bitcoin.
Oh. Yeah, no, I was just looking at it. I was like, dude, this actually hasn't lost. There's one time I saw it lost, but it was like months ago.
Yeah, same like last July. in April.
You just swing trade the moon?
That's right.
We're fishing.
Swing trade the fucking moon, bro.
What's your strategy? God damn, dude. Someone's probably like crushing doing that.
Could be.
They studied for a week and a half.
So yeah, my moon phase strategy is wild. Check it out.
Dude, trading is easy.
LOL, I went short up there, stopped at break even just now.
LOL, dog.
GG's,
Watch,
bro.
it's gonna completely just run it on me. This is the
Big
funniest part.
Sean. What'd you short that?
I
Fair
went
value?
short. No, I went short at the 11-16 high.
Yeah, the fair value got great sell.
Yeah. But I'm out for $2 gain, boys.
Dude. Yeah.
Heck yeah, bro.
Yeah, dude. Those are like how my wins are, bro. Like, yo, max loss Monday plus $2 Wednesday. Call it a good week.
Man, I love trading right now, bros.
Dude,
I love it. This
this shit hasn't worked in so long.
This is just the story of my life or our lives. Look at this shit, dude. Literally, I mean, it's gonna come back, so it doesn't really matter. But
Yeah, so how much longer till we just give up?
never, dog.
Dude. My parents asked me that the other day.
I didn't come this far to come this far.
They actually asked you how much longer you're gonna take till you give up.
Yeah, they asked me they said pick a day. And I was
What'd you
like,
say?
I said if I was gonna quit, I already would have.
I mean, dude, you're still doing your detailing shit. Like, it's not like.
Yeah, I think for this summer I'm gonna take some time away from trading though, and just really try to build up detailing.
Yeah.
Mar-
I mean, dude,
markets will
both
be
can
here.
exist, dog.
Yeah, I just gotta grind on it. Hit it hard this spring and summer. So into the fall I can like get a shop and have work during the winter. But yeah, like in the grand scheme of things, if I take like 4 to 6 months where I'm trading less, probably won't change the trajectory of my life.
I mean,
True
dude,
that, bro.
realistically, how many of your fucking jobs are at before like 11 a.m.? And if
Well,
it's a
dude, in
lot,
the summertime, the earlier you can start, the better, because we work outside and then the cars don't get as hot.
yeah, that's fair.
And we gotta wax cars in the fucking July. You better get there before it's hot.
That's what I'm saying. You just need like a canopy, bro. You don't even need a garage. You just need a fucking roof.
Got a canopy. There's an ocean breeze 99% of the time, just ripping.
No, I'm talking about like a structural canopy, like an outdoor garage.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Dude, that's what I'm gonna. Well, I want to get a shop for the winter, but yeah, I don't know what we could do about just getting a fucking, essentially like a low quality roof, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I've seen those garages.
I think this shit's gonna go right now.
Yeah,
Which
KP
way?
said never give up.
Lower.
Yeah, I'm not giving up. I'm just fucking pivoting for a little.
Dude, that's actually so gay, bro. I literally got stopped at 19566.25.
Yeah. Yeah, and then this fall I'm gonna.
Oh my god, dude.
That's what I'm saying, bro. The odds of this continuing to happen is like, this is impossible.
Alex, our spirit's unbreakable, dog. You're like,
Yeah, I'm like, I don't know, dude. I feel pretty
Just take
broken.
this 1 minute breaker short. 5 minute order block. 5 minute break and retest balance price range.
I'm already down like 1.2 R for the day.
Damn.
I do like it though, bro. I do fucking like it. And it is my fucking setup. shit. Didn't get confirmation yet. Take it to first P.
Yeah.
Damn, first P. It's a fucking
Dude, look
moon
at
shot.
that, bro. It just doesn't make sense, dude. Closing below the 50% of new week opening gap, 5-minute immediate rebalance, shift in market structure, like should have gone. All the way back through the new week opening gap. Just high resistance liquidity run.
Which is why I'm just gonna close my ninja, even though it'll probably deliver.
One
Yeah, I
minute
had to do
30.
that yesterday, dude. When I took that last leg to the lows, dude, and it didn't hit, it just went to the like all-time highs. I was like, I gotta just walk away.
I mean, like, would you have managed that differently? Would you not have just moved your stop
No.
straight to break even?
I would not have managed it differently.
Maybe I give it a little buffer, but realistically, if it comes all the way up there, like, okay, it left an SMT there, fair.
Were you able to take a partial?
I just entered one, my dude, it was like a fucking
Oh,
tiny
yeah, it's
ass
tough.
wrist, dude.
Yeah, it's tough. Yeah, no, you did exactly what I would have done. If you only had one, now if you had more to be able to take a partial, I definitely would have took a partial. I mean, this 5-minute order block's good, bro. It lays over that whole new week open gap. Relative equal lows. You're already at the extreme of the range. Trading back into the range. Like, narrative's fucking sick.
Yeah, it's just yes now to NOAG. NASDAQ respecting this balance price range on the 5. But yeah, the setup looks great.
Yep. The ones who give up are the ones that fail. Keep digging.
I'm
What?
not giving up, dude. I'm
KP.
not giving up.
Says the ones that give up are the ones that fail. Keep digging.
Bro, I'm gonna be like a 7-year-old man still trying to
Yeah,
pass
dude.
Rob Jones.
Anyway, I'm gonna be 95, still trying to watch ICT videos. And like the only way I fucking
Like,
lose
Kayla,
is
it's an algorithm, I swear. Oh my god. I mean, I'm kidding. I do believe in this shit, dude.
Oh my god, that's funny.
Well,
But anyways, boys.
wait, another cool
Yeah,
thing
dude.
about Jade Cap, dude, he has like seasonally, like, dude, he made 400K 3 years ago, then he made 100K last year, and now he made 2.5 mil this year. Like, bro, like he said, there's
Dude,
like
I
ebb and
got all my
flows.
payouts last year in fucking August. Like,
Yep.
it just takes 1 month in this shit. Like, Ty, with
Yep.
your Apex and Top Step, like, bro. Like, Alex, as much as we're gonna get wicked out, like, there's gonna come a day where we barely get wicked. We don't get wicked out, right? Like,
Been telling myself that. Fuck it, dude. And our stop loss is 1 tick away from our entries because we'll have insane entries. Perfect. Algorithmic. Dude, we're gonna have to wait till 11:50.
Yeah, I gotta get off, but boys, it's a fucking pleasure.
Biggest Sean I've ever seen. Thanks for that joke. That was funny.
Which one?
Kayla, I swear it's an algorithm. That's
Yeah.
fun.
No, whenever I like tell her like we have friends who I've showed ICT to, she's like, "Are you sure that shit works?" I'm like, "Fuck you, you fucking ginger."
Damn. That would break my heart, dude.
Dude. Look, the reality is like 80% of the time I'm the problem. It's true, dude. Oh no, fuck her, dude. No, I'm just kidding. Trying to catch a case, bro. Oh man.
Copy that, KP. On that button, that's hilarious.
Like in the month of April, I have a 45% win rate. It's just like there's simple data there to be like, all right, dude, I should still be profitable despite all of that, and I'm somehow break even here. But yeah, Ty, all it takes is just to minimize your bad months, keep them close to break even, and just fucking milk those couple months, man.
Yep, you're seeing it well. You see a good setup. You fucking rip it.
Fucking rip it, man.
That's what I tried to do, man. I was fucking killing it through March, and then March was just like, here, let me just get back 60% of that. I was like, oh, okay, that's fine.
Yeah, I know. But bro, if
Yeah.
we're being real, like look at the 4 hour, bro. There's literally zero confirmation of what the bias is here. It could literally go both ways depending on how we close over these highs or like that Friday low.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like, if I'm being honest, bro, it's like, okay, the 4 hours telling you like, hey, bro, we're in a fucking high resistance condition. It's also NFP week. It's like, Sean, what are you doing, buddy?
Well, that's why I'm looking
What
for
are you
those
doing?
lows, bro, on the daily, on fucking ES and NASDAQ. I mean, even on the weekly, you're in
Oh,
that
yeah,
fucking
dude.
weekly volume imbalance, and it's just like, yo, this thing should turn around maybe a little bit and go for like at least a wick down. Fuck.
Yeah.
1 minute relative equal highs, about to get
Just
waxed.
generating both sides, bro.
See, look, Big Sean, there you go. You'll get you got wicked out again right there. Atta boy.
Yeah. See, but that's the funny part, right? Is you get all pissed off about it and then you realize it would have happened anyways.
Dude, that's the one thing I've been telling myself is when I close a trade or I
GG's,
decide to stay
KP.
out, I don't need to wait for the market to validate that call or not. Because
Yeah.
that's
you have
been
your-
fucking me up.
Dude, because Alex, at the end of the day, bro, the only thing in trading you can control is that. You can't control where it's gonna go.
Right.
You might have probabilities around it, but like, dude, as soon as you're in the trade, that's the only piece we have control over.
Hey, how about
Right.
this 5-minute breaker to the highs? Fuck it, send it. Break close.
Dude, trading with Ty is incredible.
I
He just
walking
doesn't
right
get
now, I'm
phased,
kidding.
dude. Me and Sean are like, fuck you, I got a breaker to the upside, guys.
just look at it. Fuck it. I just see it and I'm like, oh, whatever. I love just having like
5 minute,
short
1 minute
term.
breaker,
Dude, I have.
measure fair value at midnight level. Let's
Dude, I
break it.
swear to God, I just have like a short, like just a short attention span. Like I'll dwell on something, I'll see something, it's like, ooh, shiny.
Yeah,
I'll just
short
forget.
memory, dude. That's good in trading.
I know. I'm just like, oh, fuck it. But like when it just keeps coming back, like in March, bro, when it just kept fucking happening every day, it's like, I can't really forget this. This is just an ongoing
Yeah,
thing.
that one's hard to shake off.
That's a pretty tough guy to shake.
Yeah, alright boys, I do have to run though, but I will catch y'all.
All right,
Dude,
buddy.
You don't have to go anywhere, dude.
Yeah, you're right.
Love
Yeah.
you.
At 11, you said you have 10 minutes, dude. It's been 45. You're chilling.
Yeah, I know, well. No, I do have a
Yeah.
9 a.m. though, and I
don't
literally
have
have
to
a
go.
10 minute. I have like 6 minutes to go get dressed. I would just rather
KP,
be efficient
100%,
and kick it with
bro.
the boys, but
Golden Retriever energy,
Chippity chopping
baby.
it up.
yep.
I love it.
I'll chippity chow, y'all.
Hippity hopperty, skipperty
Yeah, bro.
bopperty.
Yes, sir. My name is.
There's okay,
Mum-
hippity hopperty out of here.
Alright, motherfuckers.
Whoa, that's a little racist, bro.
Good. Boom, gone.
Big Al, I like the hoodie. I like the hat. I'm sweating my dick off, but I love your fit right there.
Thanks, dude. I'm not sweating, but I'm actually quite comfy.
Are you?
Where am I?
No, I said, are you? Quite comfy.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Love it. Maybe the 2, 3, or 4 minute. Fuck it. Let's see it.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minute breaker.
Crazy.
I'd still have-
Coinbase is now on TradingView. Crazy. You know Ninja Trader's on TradingView now? The fuck is that? Big Al,
nothing. Yes.
you just fucking disconnected for like 10 seconds right there. Or my whole
Oh.
computer
Oh,
disconnected.
I
What the
told you I
fuck?
don't care. I
Well,
said I
my-
don't care that Ninja Trader is on
Oh, gotcha.
because I just need to learn how to trade.
Oh, okay, copy.
Yeah.
Three-minute breaker, 4-minute breaker. It's kind of sick. We're at the extreme end of the range though, so like fuck. 1 hour, crazy reaction.
1 hour order vlog.
I mean, it's so good,
Just-
bro.
What?
Like it's so good to fucking long. If it wasn't an FP week, I'd be in such the biggest long in the world right now.
No, well, dude, you already would have been in the biggest long like the past 3 other entries opportunities.
Yeah, maybe. This is like the reclaimed entry then. The second attempt entry. So much
The
sell
first one
side. I
first.
hope this fucking breaks, bro, because I want sell side so bad.
Write it down.
Write it down.
I hope.
I hope
It's
your
a terrible
mom
thing. Can't have hope.
can't have hope.
So if you're hoping on the markets, dude, just close the trade.
That's crazy. I'm not even in a trade.
I'm
What
hoping
if,
and praying.
what if I hope the market comes down to where I see it like coming down to? What if I like set up a thing? It's like, okay, I like this. If it comes down here, then I'm gonna short. So I'm hoping that it gets down there. But if it doesn't, then it doesn't.
Can't.
Can't. It's crazy.
Expectation leads to disappointment.
Oh. Well, I'm hoping for the best. Expecting the worst though.
It's been the worst.
Damn.
Just tap
Vibing.
that breaker perfectly.
I feel like lunch is about to rip. It's just been kind
What?
of consolidating. All 10
Oh
a.m.
yeah,
again.
dude. I think 11:50 macro will do some really good stuff, man.
Do some damage here. Because 10 o'clock, bro, ever since 10, it's just been in this range. Just like yesterday. Yesterday, 10 o'clock range, and it just fucking ripped.
Yeah, tap 50 to win though. Actually,
What?
not really. Nothing.
Yeah, no, we're still in that range because it came all the way back down then.
Ba-da-da-da-da.
1050 was like a reversal thing.
All right. Well, stop run to the low skis. Sell side liquidity sweep.
That was fucking weird. It said panic.
You got that?
Ninja Trader?
Yeah, I told you to panic.
Yeah.
Dude, I got that notification the other time and I was like, I'm not gonna panic. My computer can't tell me to panic. Well, we know it
It's
ain't
crazy that that's even like a
coming.
thing.
There it is. Dude. Stop run. Time for 11:50 to spoon.
Spood.
That's what's tough in these conditions, though. It's like, is this a stop run or just a shift in market structure?
Mm-hmm.
Probably a stop run, dude, because when it's consolidating, it's more likely a turtle suit. The Yeah, based on that, I think it'll go higher.
Spood.
Ties the pool you swim in a saltwater pool?
Say it again.
Is the pool you swim in saltwater?
Do employees swim in salt water?
The pool you swim in?
Oh, the pool I swim in, is it salt water? No. Straight chlorine.
Gotcha. Straight chlorine.
Yeah, I love it. Gets me going.
Super good. Super healthy.
Super good for me.
Skin and hair have never been better.
Yep.
All right, let's demo this.
Trying to get my Ninja Trader back up so I can even try to attempt the demo.
You can just paper trader.
Nope.
Oh, it's 10:50.
There it goes. Trade back into the breaker. Long, 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 long.
I would like us to get above the 11:11 fair value. Yeah. Dude, the 11:11 level. Good vibes.
Or that fair value got from 10:05 on the 5 minute. Crazy.
There is no 10:05 fair value yet.
Yeah, sorry. S&P.
Ah,
Yeah, that's on me, bro.
baby.
That's on me. That's on me. That's on me.
It's cool. It's cool.
All right, bet.
Nah, dude. Also, not a 10:05 on ES.
100%. 10:05 5 minute.
Five.
Yes.
10:05 5 minute.
Yeah. I'm looking at.
Is not a fair value yet.
What do you mean?
Dude, one of us is tweaking right now.
10? Oh, 10:50. I was like, what?
Oh god.
Because one of us is tweaking. I go, wait. I go, that was me.
Now I see it.
Hopefully, Ninja Trader shit fucking works. See if I can share my fucking screen. Yes, thank you. All right.
Like a 15-second breaker, bullish break.
Yep, right there. Bang. Long, 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 long.
It's gonna go from there. It will.
Long, that down close right there. Long, 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 long. Oh, it's an even better long. Perfect. Oh shit, I just got fucked.
I didn't take it yet.
Just kidding, I didn't even take it either.
Damn.
No, got him. Yep, weird retracement coming back in, reclaimed right there. I'll take that. Buy it, fuck it. Sim account, make sure it's on nothing else. All right, it's on nothing else. I just had to make sure it was on none of my other accounts.
Yeah, dude. You already know it's about to be on all your top stuff.
I know, I'm like, oh, fuck. Just had to make sure real quick.
Alright.
Nice little plunge below. And hella drawdown right now. Ooh, back to
I
break
don't know what's
even.
happening now.
Ooh, back to break even. Let's ride. In profit.
It's gotta go from here, dog. It's gonna go higher. That's my line in the sand right here, dog. We need a quick reaction.
Quick re. My LLD is 19,520.
Oh, no, dude.
Yeah, we're just living
Terrible.
inside this breaker.
Terrible LLD.
Yep. We're just living inside this breaker here. Just love to see it.
This has to be the new low, dude.
Yep, just stop run right there. That's all it is. Just a stop run. You buy all the turtle soups. Hires this liquidity run, you buy it. 1154, bro. 100% the shit's going.
Yo, look at this. It looks like my mug is blurred out. Like, yo, don't show the sponsor, we'll get copyright.
Whoa.
Sick. Oh. Never mind.
Of course, Patty. You gotta buy the turtle soup, brother. I love trading opposite Patty. It's the best. He goes, let's go long after a lower high is created. That's exactly when you go long.
In these conditions, it's tough to see like turtle soup or shift in market structure.
Yeah.
Turtle soup, dude. What
Is
a
it just a
strange
low
thing
to go
say.
higher like this? Is it just a low to go higher?
Is it just a low to go higher, or is it a low to go lower?
Yep.
The age-old question.
He goes, can't wait to see the stop hit, bro. Same.
Dude, turtle soup is such a funny phrase.
It is.
We just say it every single day.
Turtle soup. How many times do you think we said it in
Breaker.
our life? You
Now you
say,
gotta
gotta
think about
talk
that.
some shit. I'm bored. For sure, bro. It's on a little demi. It's nothing. I don't have any live money on it. My P&L is not even moving. Hold on, I gotta share P&L. P&L's not even moving.
You know, it's not even moving. That's how it's a good market, dog.
Yep.
There's
Demo
no
King
SMT.
Fred.
Ah,
Yep, just bought the breaker.
all right, I'm gonna short it if you're gonna buy it.
I bet.
My stop loss is above the 1152 high.
He goes, no, it's break even, Fred. Hey, at least I'm keeping my money, boys. I'd rather keep it. They're calling me Demo King Fred or Break Even Fred. I love it. I need the smoke, baby. Need the smoke. There she goes. God, I love losing on a fucking demi.
Yes, dude.
It just feels so good to lose on a demo.
Feels so good to yeah, just win on demo and I lose with real money.
Yep.
That's the story of my life.
First presented from Monday. $30 contracts, full port on it. That's hilarious. I'll buy that again though. Fuck it. Buy.
What are you buying?
Just the turtle soup again, approximate entry.
Just the third turtle soup.
Yep. 3 drives lower.
Yeah, I was lower on the 1 minute inside of a bullish breaker.
Yep.
New week open got 50%, dude.
Reclaimed 15-minute breaker right here. 15-minute propulsion block and then 15-minute mid-wick. Incredible.
Could definitely explode.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
Looking for the old explosion. I'm looking for a new week. I'm looking for new week open gap below us to get taken out.
Yo,
I
fucking
meant new.
KP goes. He goes, worst flaw I have, terrible loser. I read the book, best loser wins twice, and it hasn't helped. I'm too competitive. That's hilarious.
KP.
I love it. I love it. Bro, it's crazy how this thing's just consolidating, bro.
It's going lower, dog.
I think it's gonna go lower too. I'll actually get in a real trade if it breaks below that breaker.
You're
Like you-
fucking crazy for that.
Like you had like 3 breakers just form. So it has to be the 4th breaker we gotta take. On the 1 minute, the first breaker formed at 11:20, first breaker formed. Second breaker formed at, after it broke its low at 11:35, it formed at 11:22. Next breaker formed at 11:28, and then this breaker, if it breaks below, is 11:35. It's just going new, 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 new. I love it. $12 p.m. here. Market's turned on a little bit. It's getting a little finicky. You see the movement in the candle right there. It's getting a little jittery. 5 minute media rebounds to go lower, maybe? Oh, there she goes. Back to break even. Let's ride. Run, Forrest, run.
This is so both, dude. It's crazy.
Bro, 15 minute breaker, propulsion block, mid wick. It's got to go higher.
Yeah, just the 4th use of it. That's it, though. If it's not this macro, then try the next one.
Yep, we don't have a close below the fucking 50% of her. Yeah, no close below 50% mid wick or propulsion. Beautiful. That's the ticket. Just come back an hour later when it's done. Trade for 20 minutes a day. Oh, how you doing, boys? How you doing? Get me out. Moving the stop loss up now. Oh, that's so clean. Oh, that's so clean.
Was not that clean, dude.
I'm just kidding, bro. That's why I'm in a demo
It's actually
trade.
not even a little bit clean, dude.
I mean, it is a tiny bit clean. I can't make an argument for bearishness. The only thing I could do is just the narrative of NFP. What else is bearish?
Well, yeah, dude. It's just not that clean. I was busted for feeling no pain. Charged with doing
Oh,
so clean, dog.
so clean.
So clean he didn't even take it, dog.
That's what I'm saying.
That's how you know.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Crazy.
All right. Bye.
You're out?
Yes.
Why?
I'm not gonna trade.
Oh, okay.
I just want to see when it was gonna finally go, and now It was 1150 macaroni and cheese on the third drive lower into the fourth attempt of the breaker propulsion lock.
Yep.
Here we go, but yeah. Absolutely fucking challenging.
Yeah, pretty crazy.
Do we run the high by 11 by 12:10 though?
I don't know. You
Got it.
gotta
Got
stay
it.
tuned.
Nope. Bye. Have a nice day.
Big Al, why are you leaving so suddenly?
Because there's no point, dude.
There's always a point.
Okay, bye. Have a good one. Bye.
Alright, see you, buddy. Yeah, I miss Big Al. I don't know why I didn't stay on. That was weird. I met Alex through social media a long time ago. But yeah, I mean, we've hung out a bunch of times since then. He lives in Margate, New Jersey. Sean is dating someone from my old neighborhood when I was growing up. So we have like family parties. So he came, what was it? He came to a like holiday party. And yeah, then I just talked trading with him, and then now we just became friends. He lives in San Diego. Why didn't you take real trade, Ty? Like, why practice? Because of this right here. That's why. The support? No, it's just consolidating. So like, yeah, there's support here, but it broke it here. Broke it for resistance there, use as support. Broke it here, broke it here, broke it here. And then yeah, how do I know it's gonna work there? But yeah, no, 100%. Yeah, Alex was gonna come, but yeah, I don't know why he didn't. Little upsetting. Yeah, but lower highs on a lower time frame when you're higher time frame bullish is what you want to see. It's like here, I mean, there's support here. And then through the center of this candle, there's support there. That's what you're looking for. So you have two wicks and you have this close on a low. I mean, it's exactly what you want to see. Like on a lower time frame, if you think it's going to go up on a 15-minute, all you got to do is go down to the 1-minute time frame, look for a low to get run, and then look for the buy. So I'm looking for these lows to get run because of time of day as well, being 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock or 11:50 to 12:10 are usually when the price runs happen, like the hours, like the whatever. So like at 10 o'clock, the run happens. At 11 o'clock, reversal run happens. At 12 o'clock, run happens. So Yeah, 3 hours behind, so it's 9 a.m. in Cali right now. There you go, Patty. Yeah, send it. Send it, old pad cakes. Send it, patty cakes. You have that high, you got this high, you got that to send higher. I will sell another one up there. So now I have 2 on. Break even. Peace, KP. It's a good buy right there. Take off another one there. Thinking about getting into it long. Our little one boy. ES already took out a tie though. It's kind of whack. It's not that perfect, but I think it's gonna hit. Not that perfect, but I think it's gonna hit. We shall see. Two-minute, you already have that immediate rebounds. Need to come back down there, not necessarily. Sure can though. It's right on this candle right here. That'd be it. 3-minute IFed down close. It's just, do I want to take a six sister? I don't think I do. Give me a little punch. Ooh. Missed the punch. There it is. 5-minute IFed NASDAQ. There's the punch. See if it wants it. I like it. I was just going to tank below there a little bit. Good low risk buy. Get more orders on here if I wanted to. $15-minute OB. 1 hour OB. Kablam. Five-minute IFed, 3-minute IFed right there. 2-minute, 4-minute, 5-minute. 1-minute Fairview right here. Trade below that low. Changing the state of deliver. Why just buy that for a tiny fucking buy? I'll put that shit right here. Super, super small risk, bro. Yeah, like literally $15 on the risk. Literally nothing. I want to see if we can get up there. Nice. Literally $16 on the risk. Don't care. Nice. Well, GG's. I'm heading the fuck out of here, my boy. J fucking J's. $15 risk. Not bad at all. Not bad. Thing just tanked. Coming back down to the range, dog. Oh, yeah. That's right. Super small, $15 risk. Ain't nothing. Just wanted to test her out. It's already super deep. Wanted to buy. Fuck it. Super, super deep retracements. Ain't mad at it. All right, boys. I'm heading out. I think I'll keep going, but it will go without me. I got you, bro. I appreciate you trying to teach me about support resistance, but it's all good, my boy. But I'm heading out. Nice little tank there. I'd watch those. Yeah, true. Yep, definitely strong today. Alright, dog. Yeah, heading out. Yes, sir.